Hello, and namaste. Welcome back to the second episode of Guamguam with Pepper. How many of you are missing a good old creamy Indian curry from your local takeaway? Well, if you want to cure your curry cravings, put your apron on and let's make a drool-worthy butter chicken at home. For this dish, I'm going to use boneless chicken. A small restaurant in Delhi gave life to a dish called Murg Makhani, which now goes by the global name of butter chicken. Here's a secret. The most authentic Indian restaurants use leftover tandoori chicken pieces for this dish. Some even say that's how the recipe emerged. I ain't got time for that, so I'll be marinating this chicken with salt, turmeric, chili and yogurt, keeping it simple. Leave this in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. Let's move on to the dry ingredients. Turmeric, cumin, red chilies, fenugreek leaves, garam masala, bay leaves, star anise, saffron. Cashew nut is a master ingredient for this recipe. It adds sweetness and thickness to the gravy. In vegan recipes, some people use it as a replacement for dairy cream. I'm going to use my favorite James Martin grinder to grind the cashew. When it's time, shallow fry the chicken in a pan and get some fresh flavorings ready. Usually butter chicken is a one-pot dish, but I'm trying to do this quickly, so I'm getting the gravy ready on a separate pot. Fry the onions and tomatoes and follow your intuition to add the dry ingredients along the way. I tend to put the garlic, ginger and cilantro closer to the end of the frying process. And the final touches, your cream dream is coming true. Add a lump of butter and the powdered cashew onto the gravy mix. Let these ingredients intermingle before you put it in a blender and reach to the culminating point in this process. Now look at that finely blended gravy with a hint of Turkish saffron for some aroma. Last but not the least, add some double cream to reaffirm the creaminess of your gravy. In just 20 minutes, the gravy is ready and the chicken is almost done. Now let's add some lemon juice before we mix the chicken onto this luscious gravy. I am telling you, we're all finding it very difficult to resist the curry right now. Guys, we're done. Let's tuck in. You can serve the butter chicken with some naan and rice. I personally don't like naan, so I'm sticking to some rice. Hope you've enjoyed this gastronomic affair with me, Pepper. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Loads of love. Guam Guam. Mwah.